Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to set up email preferences settings in NetSuite. The Email Preferences page allows users with the administrator role to configure company-wide email settings. The preferences set here apply to all users within your NetSuite account. To set your email preferences, go to Setup, Company, Email Preferences. In the Global BCC list field, you can enter email addresses that should receive blind copies (BCC) of all outgoing emails. The Global Footer field lets you specify text that will automatically appear at the bottom of all email messages sent from your NetSuite account. Default Mail Merge Domain allows you to select the default campaign email domain that will be automatically applied to your emails and templates. Enable email alerts for WS and CSV imports. Check this box to receive email notifications for CSV imports and SOAP web services integrations. Remove email addresses from bounced email address list after specifies how many days to wait before automatically removing email addresses that have bounced from the bounced email address list. Email Preferences page also includes the following tabs: Transactions, Templates, Email Domains, DKIM, and Sandbox and Release Preview. Customers default to email transactions. Check this for customer transactions by printing, by email, by fax, or by a combination of the three. Vendors default to email transactions. Check this box to deliver vendor transactions by printing, by email, by fax, or by a combination of the three. Send to all administrators. Check this box to send a copy of each transaction form emailed to customers or vendors to all employees with the administrator role. CC, enter the email addresses that should receive copies of all emailed transaction forms. From address for emailed forms. Select the email address that will appear in the From field of emails sent from NetSuite. You can choose from the following options: Company Return Email Address, Subsidiary Return Email Address, User Email Address. Use Pop-up for Main Transaction Email button. Check this box to open a pop-up window that lets you view and edit the email message before sending it when you click the Email button on a transaction record. CC Customer on all emails related to orders placed by contacts. Check this box to send web store order-related emails to both the contact who placed the order and the main email address defined on the customer record. Default Email Template. Choose the email template to be used by default for standard transaction emails. By default, NetSuite uses the standard transaction email template, unless another template is selected. Under Templates tab, you can configure email template preferences and assign specific templates to different centers within NetSuite. Use the Email Domains (DKIM) subtab to set up domain keys identified mail for the domains you want to use when sending emails from NetSuite. This helps improve email deliverability and verifies that the messages originate from your domain. Sandbox and Release Preview Email Preferences. Subtab allows you to configure how email messages are routed from your Sandbox and Release Preview accounts, helping ensure test emails are directed appropriately during development and testing phases. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.